Welcome to another exciting Godot tutorial. In this tips tutorial, I'm going to show you how to shake a camera in Godot engine. Let's go ahead and get started. Normally, you will shake the camera in your game when the player collides with another object in the game scene. However, to keep this tutorial simple, we are going to shake the camera when a button is clicked. Now I went ahead and create a game scene with a camera, a cube, a light, and a button node. Attach a script to the game scene, clean up the comments, uncomment the process function, declare three variables: the time, which is going to be the timer for the shaking, the period, which is how long the shaking is going to last, that is 0.3 seconds. And then from there also we also need a magnitude, that is how far is the camera going to move from the original position, and that's going to be 0.2. From here we can go down and declare a function, and this function is going to be named shake camera. Now inside this shake camera, the first thing we are going to do is to get the camera position. So we declare a variable cam post and get the camera translation. While time is less than the period, we are going to add the process delta time to the time, and from here we set time equals to the minimum between the time and the period. Now from here we can go ahead and shake the camera. To shake the camera, we are going to declare a variable. Since we are using a camera 3D, the offset is going to be vector 3, and from here we can randomize the offset x and offset y between the negative period to the positive period. You can do the same for the y, and the offset z is going to be 0. From here we can declare a new cam position and set it to the cam post. Now we can add the offset to the new cam post, and from here now we can set the translation to the new cam post, the translation of the camera. And then we can return that random position in every frame. From there we can exit out of the loop, and when the looping is over, we are going to reset the camera back to its original position. Then we set the translation to that cam post we declared at the start. From here now we can just pass the function and save our script. From here now we can head back to the 3D game, the game menu here, and select the button. Since I'm going to use a button to shake the camera, so I'm going to select the button and click on node here, and I'm going to connect the press signal to the button. Now inside this function, on button press function, we are going to call the shake camera, which shakes the camera. And we can go ahead and save it. Now before we run the script, in the offset.z position I made a mistake, so this one you need to change it to offset.z equals to 0 instead of period.z. So from here we can just save the script and run it. Now when you run the script, if you press on the shake camera button, the camera is going to shake. And that's it for this tutorial. Thank you for watching.